What causes cough-variant asthma symptoms? Have you ever wondered why some people cough persistently without the typical wheezing or shortness of breath associated with asthma? This is what we call cough-variant asthma. The symptoms primarily arise from inflammation and narrowing of the airways, similar to classic asthma, but the main issue here is a dry cough that can linger for weeks or even longer. This dry cough does not produce any mucus, making it quite distinct from other types of asthma. The inflammation in the airways increases sensitivity and irritation, which can trigger coughing episodes. These episodes can be set off by common asthma triggers. Allergens like dust mites, pollen, pet dander, and mold spores are some of the usual suspects. Irritants such as smoke, chemical fumes, and strong perfumes can also worsen the symptoms. Cold or dry air is another factor that can lead to coughing fits. Interestingly, physical activity can trigger cough-variant asthma as well, which is often referred to as exercise-induced asthma. Seasonal changes can play a role too. For instance, exposure to house dust mites and certain allergens can provoke symptoms, leading to seasonal flare-ups. In addition, certain medications like beta blockers and aspirin may cause coughing in individuals who are sensitive to them. Upper respiratory infections, such as sinusitis, can initiate or worsen coughing episodes as well. The cough itself is a result of inflammation that mainly affects the larger airways. This inflammation causes obstruction and makes the airways more responsive, triggering the cough reflex more easily. In cough-variant asthma, immune cells called eosinophils are often involved. These cells are linked to asthma and contribute to the inflammation in the airways. Since cough-variant asthma does not present the classic symptoms of wheezing and breathlessness, it can be more challenging to diagnose. However, it shares the same underlying airway inflammation and triggers as classic asthma. If left untreated, cough-variant asthma can progress to classic asthma, which is why early diagnosis and treatment are essential. Managing this condition typically involves avoiding known triggers and using asthma medications. Inhaled corticosteroids can help reduce airway inflammation, while bronchodilators can provide relief during coughing episodes. Understanding cough-variant asthma is important for effective management and to prevent it from evolving into more typical asthma symptoms. By being aware of the triggers and taking proactive steps, individuals can better control their symptoms and improve their quality of life.